In this question, we have to determine the remainder of 30 raised to power 70 raised to power 87 when this number is divided by 11. Now, let's say अगर हमारा नंबर n को हम क्या बोलते हैं, एज्यूम कर लेते हैं इट इज इक्वल टू 30 रेज टू पावर 72 रेज टू पावर 87 और हमें इसे डिवाइड किससे करना है 11 से। तो जो 30 है हम उसे 11 के टर्म्स में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? वी कैन राइट 30 एज 2 इंटू 22 प्लस 8 रेज टू पावर 72 रेज टू पावर 87 और वी कैन राइट इट इन फॉर्म ऑफ 3 इंटू 11। सॉरी, यहाँ पे मैंने बाई चांस बाई मिस्टेकली 22 लिख दिया। दिस इज 11 2 इंटू 11, दिस इज 3 इंटू 11 माइनस 3 रेज टू पावर 72 रेज टू पावर 87। सो अगर हम एक्सपेंशन देखें, वी नो दैट एक्सपेंशन ऑफ x प्लस a रेज टू पावर n क्या होता है? x प्लस a रेज टू पावर n, इट इज इक्वल टू n c 0 x रेज टू पावर n प्लस n c 1 x raised to power n minus 1 into a and so on, and the last two terms of that expansion is n c n minus 1 x into a to the power n minus 1 plus last term is n c n into a to the power n. So if I divide x plus a raised to power n divided by some factor of x, then we can clearly see कि all the terms of x can be divided by that factor, but the last term which has n c n and into a to the power n cannot be divided by that factor. So the remainder of that x plus a raised to power n by x is equal to remainder of a to the power n by x. So by similar concept we can say that remainder of n by 11, remainder of n divided by 11 is equal to what? Remainder of, I can say it is equal to 8 raised to power 72 raised to power 7 by 11, 8 raised to power 72 raised to power 87 by 11, or remainder of minus 3 raised to power 72 raised to power 87 by 11. But in this question what we will do, we will follow the minus 3 because you can see now let's see what is the 3 raised to power 1. 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 3. 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 9. 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27. 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 81. 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 243, and 3 raised to power 6 is equal to 729. So if I divide this number by 11, let's say I am dividing all numbers by 11, divide by 11, then I will calculate the remainder. So remainder in first case is equal to 3, in second case it is equal to 9, in third case it is equal to 5. In this case 3 raised to power 3 it is equal to 5. In the case of 3 raised to power 4 it is equal to 4. In case of 3 raised to power 5 it is equal to 1, because 243 is divided by 11 is remainder is equal to 1, and again when we divide 3 raised to power 6 by 11 it is equal to 3. So we can clearly see after every 5 terms the remainder is repeating, means the remainder of 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 6, 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 3 raised to power 7. So now we will know the pattern of the remainders. Now we have to calculate the value of 72 raised to power 7, and actually we don't need to even calculate the value of 72 raised to power 87. We have to calculate the only last term of the 72 raised to power 87. So now we will consider 72 raised to power 7. So let's say the number capital X is equal to 72 raised to power 87. So what will be the unit digit of 72 raised to power 7? So if I write 72 as 70 plus 2 raised to power 87, then the unit digit of this number, because all the numbers, if there are total power is 87, then there are total 88 numbers, 88 terms. Then first 87 terms are divided by 70. So all the terms have 0 at the end. So the unit term is depend on 2 raised to power 87, which is the last term. So the unit term of 2 raised to power 87 is equal to the unit term of 72 raised to power 87. Now, if I see the pattern for 2, we know that 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16. And again, when I calculate 2 to the power 5, it is equal to 32. So, in the case of 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 5, the last digit is equal to 2. So, what we have analyzed that after every 4 values, the last digit is changing. So, जो last digit होगा for 2 to the power 87, it is equal to what? I can write 2 to the power 87 as 4 into 21 plus 3. So, the last digit is equal to what? Now, last digit किसके सेम हो जाएगा? It is similar to 2 to the power 3. I am not saying this is equal, but the last digit की value क्या हो जाएगी? It is same to as 2 to the power 3. Then I can say the last digit of x is, the unit digit of x क्या हो जाएगा? Unit digit of x is equal to unit digit of x is equal to 8. Now what is our number n now? Now our number n is equal to 33 minus 3 into some number, and the last term at the end is 8. So when we divide any number which has the unit digit as 8, then the remainder of that number is equal to 3. So when x is divided by 5, when x is divided by 5, remainder is equal to 3, because last digit of that number is 8, and when we divide 8 by 5, the remainder is equal to 3. So when we divide n by 11, then the remainder is equal to 3 raised to power 3 upon 11, because the last is remainder is equal to 3. So 3 raised to power 3 by 11. And in the case of 3 raised to power 3, we have already seen that the remainder is equal to what? Remainder is equal to 5. So what is the remainder now? Now remainder is equal to 5. So this is the answer for this question. In this question, we have taken the second expression, which is remainder of minus 3 raised to power 72 into 87 by 11. Also, we can solve it for 8 raised to power 72 raised to power 87 by 11, but it will be little tough.